was trying to do this spin for my intro.
Where did the mommy go?
That's hilarious. At least I cut it on camera.
Girl, let me call you back. I fall it down my edges. Girl, let me call you back. I fall it down my edges. Hair conditioner, leaving. Hair conditioner, leaving. Hair conditioner, leaving. Hair conditioner, leaving. Hair.
Hey, what's poppin', everybody? It's your girl Ariel, aka Ari, coming back at you with another video. I think I slurred that. We're gonna do that again. Hey, what's poppin', everybody? It's your girl Ariel, aka Ari, coming back at you with another video. Thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate that. So, in today's video, we're gonna be doing passion twist, and today is exciting because I'm showing you guys. I can't remember how many methods. That's the amount of methods I'm gonna show you guys. So, now that we got that out of the way, make sure you go follow me on Instagram at arielfits.patrick. And yeah, let's just get into this video. Let's do it. This is me running into the video. So this is the back. This is what we're dealing with. Now I'm going to crochet. Ow. I don't think that was supposed to. Ow! What did I do? Okay, we'll try that again. Okay. So we're using Freetress Bohemian curl. I bought this so long ago. One color I got was TT27 and the other one I got was 27. Oh, and I'm also going to be using the hair I used from LULUTRESS. I had one pack left over, so I decided to just finish it. It's also Bohemian, but you're going to see it's clearly not the same kind of curl. So for each twist, because it's jumbo, I'm going to be using 4 pieces. So I just started doing purely 27. This is not actually the right curl for passion twist, and I could see why. Like the curls are too tight, so try and get the water wave. You'll see why. Like the way it twists is not as smooth as the water wave, or even let me show you, or even this. You see how this is looser? Oh, let me focus. Focus for me, baby girl. There. So remember this here from LULUTRESS from my previous crochet video? This twists so much better than this one. This is the same Bohemian, but it's from Freetress and it's very tight. Come on, focus, focus, focus. Can you focus on me? Oh, no, okay. She's really not focused. Okay, there you go. So as you can see, this is a lot tighter and the twists don't come out as nice as this. So I would really suggest either getting the Bohemian in the LULUTRESS here or getting the water wave in Freetress if you're a real die-hard Freetress fan. So I'm just going to use one of these my mom bought from Walmart. It's so handy. Okay, then I'm going to take some Eco Styler gel. I would rather use this on the whole hair, but I'm not trying to finish it. Hook it around. And apparently there's a certain way to twist. I don't know. I don't think I twist properly, but I'm just going to twist as I know how to twist. Still regular. Y'all tell me, am I twisting right? Let me put my fingers this way. I don't know if y'all can see, but apparently you could twist wrong, and I don't know if I do twist wrong. I noticed my finger placement is not the same as other people I see twist, so maybe I do twist wrong. I don't know. That's how it came out. This one actually came out pretty okay. The others came out a little bit crazy, but you know what? I'm all for the messy look, so it's alright. Okay, so I actually forgot to show you guys how I lengthened the other one. So for each of them, like I said, I use 4 pieces, but then I want them super long. So what I do is, okay, I try and pull one side down, and then I pull the other side just to lengthen it because I want them really long. I didn't want them short. And then I take half of the LULUTRESS one that I just showed you, because these are a lot thicker than these, so you need half. And then finally I take one of the 27 and then I add that and I pull it to the opposite side just to balance out the length. So that's how I did most of the twists. And that's how the twist looks close up. And that's the hole for the crochet. Okay, so I'm just going to explain the second method. It's very, very easy. You literally take your crochet hook, push it underneath your corner, push it through the loop, and then pull the one side through. like that. And you're just gonna twist as normal. This is another way you can do it. You take a loop instead of pulling one side through, and it's probably more secure as well. Pull it through, loop. And now that it's knotted, go ahead and twist. I just wanted to come back and show you guys how I actually ended up doing the rest of them. So I did the regular crochet hook, whatever. But then I did the invisible knot method where you only take, well, I don't know if it's actually gonna be an invisible knot, but it's easier where you just take one side through like that. That way, like, you could still have your separate pieces so it twists evenly. And remember, I am using gel/edge control while I twist down. We're gonna do this as usual. Hook the, sorry, I can't, I'm doing it on the opposite side of the camera. Let me just hook it and come back. Okay, so you hook it through. Okay, and then you're just gonna pull one side through. Sorry y'all, I'm struggling because this is such an awkward angle for me with the camera. I'm going to take my beeswax and then smooth it out as much as possible. Like, if you could get it like a stick, get it like a stick. Take the hair with my natural hair, put in two, of course, and twist as usual. And because my natural hair is involved, I'm gonna make sure and put edge control every few twists. I wanted to do this one on camera, but it's just too much of a struggle. So I think y'all understand the point. Like, it's very simple. And yeah, I'm gonna come back and show you guys the end results. Should I style this? Maybe I should do some styles. Let's do some quick styles. Let's have some fun. I actually wanted that so much higher, but oh well. So when you guys do the cornrows, make sure that you remember to put a cornrow going across the back so that you could actually pull it up in one. But I totally forgot to do that, so that's why you can see this problem that I'm having. So I won't be able to wear it up in a bun unless I can figure out a way to like pull it down enough to cover it. But just please remember to do that in order to put it up in one. But besides that, this is how it would look if you put it in a bun. Okay guys, so that is it for the video. I hope you really enjoyed it. I hope it was helpful to you. Technically, I don't know if this is still considered passion twist because technically I used the wrong hair. Yeah, so let me know if these are still considered passion twists if you don't use water wave hair. I ain't here to fight nobody because I know some people get very defensive here on YouTube, so I ain't trying to step on nobody's toes. We're trying to be civil today. If you have any other suggestions for another method that I didn't do in this video that you've thought of, please leave them in the comment section down below so I can see it and perhaps try it next time, or just, you know, to give others inspiration. We're all here to help each other. It's not just you watching me, it's all of us watching this video and all the comments in the comments below. We're all here to help each other. That's why we're called a community, a YouTube community, right? Right. I think it took me about 3 hours, 3 to 4 hours to finish this. Yeah, if you guys would like to know my thoughts on passion twist and how it is to maintain it and all that stuff, how to style it, blah blah blah, whatever it is, I don't have any ideas right now, but if you have any ideas, please help a girl out because I'm gonna be keeping this in. You all know I change my hairstyle like every week, but I'm trying to keep these in for a minimum of 2 weeks, so I need some video suggestions to help a girl out so I can stay consistent. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like up this video and you comment down below. Super special shout out to our featured subscriber of today's video, that is Chichi. Oh, thank you girls so much for your support. I really appreciate it. I hope you're having a great day, a great week, and just a great year. God bless. If you'd like to be featured in my next video, make sure you are one of the first to comment below, and you do that by being a part of the notification gang. How can you be a part of the notification gang, you may ask? Girl, all you gotta do is subscribe to join the gang so we can hang. Hey, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Peace.